Hey everyone, welcome to a happy place. I'm Brian, this is Ricky. Our channel is all about having fun. We get out there, we eat some foods, we stay in some great places, we do a little bit of travel, but it's all about the discovery of it all. It's going to small restaurants, some that are owner run, or the chef is the owner. And the guy's there, he's cooking up a storm, he's trying to give you his best food. It's just like Krish was at LA.
Krish was amazing.
He's just a chef doing his thing.
Such a happy vibe. It's just like, wow. Good memories, friend for life.
Friend for life. And saltfish fried rice.
Oh,
you guys
absolutely.
have to try it. But it's not just about the saltfish fried rice or the street foods. It's also, we do like to eat fancy things, you know. We are still human beings who love the good life.
Of course, seafood platters, lobsters.
Wow. That lobster that we had. And
as long as they don't break the bank, you know.
Yeah,
Food doesn't need to break the bank.
And it shouldn't. It's like this one in particular with
amazing.
It comes from an owner-run place.
Yeah, and Chef Wu, wow.
Chef Wu, what a fantastic guy. And it is actually at Ocean Villas, which looks fantastic, luxury place. Attention to detail.
Oh yeah, we stayed there for a weekend. It was incredible.
Infinity pool.
Oh yeah, no, for sure. And the flowers and the names on the bed.
Check that out. That
Gorgeous.
was awesome. But you know what? It's owned by Clifford, and he's there.
And we love to cook. I love to cook, and Brian loves to eat it.
Ricky does some fantastic
I cook
cooking.
the best food, right?
There's pasta, one of the best, and it's so simple. And she can show you how to make something that is absolutely awesome without much work. And I get to eat it, which is even better. What could be better than that?
For sure.
What you're going to find here on this channel is all this and a little bit more, and we tell some jokes. I tell really bad ones.
I laugh at them, so you guys don't have to.
No, you have to laugh. It's all about the laughing.
It comes as part of your subscription.
Yes, when you subscribe, and you're going to, because it's that funny,
you have to laugh.
You're going to have to laugh.
Anyway, let's go get some food.
Getting some halim.
Oh man.
Best soup in Mauritius.
Very hot.
Even in summer.
Yeah, even in summer.
Yes. I know you on the
Cool.
food Mauritius. I know you, yes. How are you? Fine?
Good. Coming to get the halim.
Yeah,
here.
man.
Thank you so much.
Chana puri and halim.
Yeah, you dip.
Uh-huh.
You're starting a trend, right?
It's just
Started a thing. You got to get the halim and the chana puri for dippins.
Absolutely, it's the best.
Can't wait. Mouth watering. This is totally one of the things that we love to do. We get one street food and pair it with another. It's sort of like street food fusion. Awesome.
It's so hot. Can you see the steam coming off it?
Classic chana puri.
A bready morsel of deep friedness with chana in the middle. Get that.
Dip it in. Simply nothing better.
Oh wow.
Halim, chana puri, it's the best bread. With this view.
Oh, absolutely.
And what's great, when you finish, just take it back.
The bowl,
The bowl.
not the halim.
If you enjoy this sort of fun, safe environment where you're not going to find swearing or
Yeah, politics and negativity.
politics
It's all
or-
positive and it's all easy.
give us a subscribe and enjoy the adventure with us.
Yeah, and comment. We love to chat to you and meet you.
I hope you guys join us and hopefully see you on the channel.